everyone, it's Peter here, Pet Fister. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, some people are asking, do we still fix gamepads? Yes. Well, as you see, 7 of them to be fixed. Now, this one is an older job. 2 of them. One is a return here, and this one is a return. This one is to be done. And then these are new ones. So the four ones are new ones. So yeah, we do gamepad repairs as well. Now, the problem we have is that we can't always do it as quickly as we would want. And here is why. We don't charge like a lot for fixing them. Okay, because I do believe that the dearer you charge the customer, the less chances are that the customer will come back for the repair. Now we can't always get the fix as well. Sometimes we just can't. The reason to that is that you're ordering parts from China or from eBay or Amazon. Don't know if all that can break the volume. Okay, I won't be testing it, so I will tell you more about it later. But these parts are not always as you would think they are. So you're ordering the parts, and if you're lucky, you've ordered the right one and everything's okay. But sometimes you're soldering this one and it's shivering, so there is some problem. Plus I've got this adapter here, so now I need to take it out, believe me, and I never record a video how much time it takes. Is it like okay job or not okay job? So let's take up some things and let's try to do it. Let's try to remove this from the joystick, and we will see how long it will take. It's 2 minutes of the recording in 19 seconds. We got no power here, so another waste of time because I was needing the cable for something. Guys, I need to pause because that's a waste of time for me. Oh, okay, I've got it. It's in the bench power supply, which is okay. So 350 I need. Do I have 350? No, I don't have 350. So where is the plug? That's the plug. Okay, now we've got a 350. Yeah, we've got a 350 set and some soldering stuff. And look, that's already 1 minute wasted. Yeah, you would say easy peasy lemon squeezy. But the good thing is, if you're doing 5 of them, you've got more time to prepare one and then do more. So it's better. When you do only one, you waste more time on. Remember to disconnect the battery. Okay, I'm exaggerating with the flux here because I know what it means soldering without. Now the problem is that I've undone them only once. And I can say that's not the pleasant way to do it. So let me hook up underneath. I need to do 2 simultaneously, so I took the wrong. See, that's one off. So this is okay, but it's bending, so it's not that great. It was good to start with. Now will I be okay? Yeah, I think don't use small tip like I do. Use K-tip. So you don't need this one, yes? No need. But this K-tip, it's better, far better. I thought I'll be okay, but what can you do? Again, scrub it. Okay, more scrubbing. Okay, let's heat up simultaneously. Okay, so this is a waste because this already wasted the ring. Okay, that went out. Now the next part is here. Will I need that flat thingy? Probably will be easier with that flat thingy. Okay. Aye. It's easier. Somebody has wrote something. Okay, I can't grasp it. And it's bending, so it's bad. Let's try to use the tweezers then. Oh, somebody has nice longer conversation with me. Okay, so that's not, I don't think recover in it, you can call a recover in it. I would say you need to cut the loss and just waste them. For those who don't know what these are correctors for the stick drift. No, you shouldn't use them, just to make it clear. You can only use them when you've replaced the analog joystick and you still want to calibrate it better. Guys, I can say that installing it is piece of cake. Removing it is pain in the wherever you want the pain to be. Okay, one went off. Now I've got more to go. There are 3, so hey ho. What a waste of time. If I would know I will be suffering so much, I would never install it for sure. I will have to install them only on my controllers and test them. I won't be installing them anymore on customers' controllers. I don't want to go through such hassle because customers are waiting, and I can't do the other job because I can't do other jobs because I'm struggling on time with this. Look, I've removed it from the potentiometers. Now I need to remove it from the rest. And that's just waste of time. Okay. 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 Okay, so the problem was only with the potentiometers. The rest went quite okay. But I still got here something. Gosh, okay, there is one ground pad here on this side, which okay, got it. So it's 9 minutes. So guys, you see, you're doing it for quite a few minutes. Now I can take out the rest. That means I can take this whole joystick. Guys, you see, so if you will if you will try to do it on your own gamepads. Don't do it on customer gamepads because you're wasting the time. Now I've replaced it, this one. I should replace it with the regular one. I was trying to be helpful to the customer. I bought these and I supposed to test it on my ones, but customer said, hey, install me this one. I don't want to have wear and tear anymore. So I will have, you know, like, you know, maybe permanent fix, and I will never have to come again, you know, for the for this. And I said that's good because we've got like 150 jobs or something, so that's good for us. So let's try it. And I've tried it and it failed, so I'm super not happy that I bought them, and I'm super not happy that now I had to remove these as well, and now I will have to remove and place the regular one, and then customer will calibrate it at their own place. Now if after replacing the shivering of the XY will continue, that means there is additional fault, and I will pin the comment and I will put that it didn't solve. So in that case these will still have some chance, okay? And then I might test it, might record another video in the future to explain you more about it. If it will fix now replacement, I won't leave anything under the as a comment, yes, pinned comment underneath the video. So give few days and check the video if you're interested in the result of replacing it. But that's it in this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you're doing the better job than I do with this, and you don't wasting so much time as I do. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Leave me a like. I can't close even the recording. Thank you for leaving likes. Bye bye. Or comments.